Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Blackened chicken ramen noodle soup. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients: tomato paste, chili powder, ginger, fresh garlic, sliced scallion, cumin, soy sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, oregano, rice vinegar, or I have organic ramen noodles, diced onions, olive oil, sriracha, hot sauce. I have here cubed up carrots, kale, chicken broth, and chicken breast that I've washed in lemon juice and rinsed it in cold water. Now, this is the first thing we're going to do. We're going to take the chicken here and we're going to add the seasoning in to make it the blackened chicken. Cumin, chili powder, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, dried oregano, and some olive oil. Going to mix this up. I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to put the chicken on it. Now I have my oven set to 380 degrees. I'm going to pop the chicken in the oven and let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes.
So this ramen is like a fusion between classic Asian ramen and Cajun dishes.
Yes, it is.
So what makes this special?
The blackened chicken. That makes it the Cajun part. Now I have a Dutch oven here. I'm going to set it to medium high, and I'm going to add some olive oil to it. And we're going to add the onions.
Isn't that a bill of celery also?
Yeah, I have some celery leaves. And we're going to put the tomato paste in.
So you putting sriracha in there also?
Yes. Give it a little kick.
No, this looks like you're going to be really spicy. But then that's the Cajun part coming in.
Yeah. And I can smell the pepper. We're going to stir this up and let it saute up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to have the carrots jump into the pot. Stir this up, and we're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Make sure you check the description box below for all the ingredients. And also like, subscribe, share, comment, and let us know how we're doing. So what's next?
Now we're going to add the garlic. Stir this up. Then we're going to grate some ginger in the pot. Now we're going to add some chicken broth, water, rice vinegar, garlic powder, And we're going to let this simmer up for about 3 minutes.
How long do you think this take to cook all together?
Less than an hour. Now we're going to add the soy sauce. Now we're going to add the ramen noodles. I'm going to stir this up.
Wow, this is coming together pretty good so far.
Now we're going to add the kale.
The kale is almost like a replacement version of seaweed.
Yes,
Since this is the Cajun version, the Cajun fusion.
that is what makes it the Cajun fusion version. Kale instead of seaweed. Stir everything up. Now I got to throw the scallions in.
Oh, almost forgot that.
Let this cook for about 1 minute more. Then we're going to serve it up. There you have it. Blackened chicken ramen noodle soup. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.